NCNO stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at NCINO. It is $22.06, 22% down. Where are we heading next? I'm going to zoom out and go to the weekly chart. And right here, man, look at this. It melted. It absolutely got cooked. I've done well over 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel. All of that is documented. And generally speaking, that's still the exact same strategy that I will keep using. You can see it's already drawn because I started the video without putting the record button, but this is my bias. You know, we cleared the lows out. You might be asking me, is it really that bad? Sure thing is, man, but I'm not saying it's going to be like this forever, because nothing is forever. It's only for now, not forever. And only if the price does break with above, like, let's say $30, or there's some big catalyst there, and only then I'm going to look to take things up. Other than that, it's all noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.